In this video, I'll show you why your cold email campaigns are actually failing, and it's probably not your copy, it's your data. Before we start, go to the first link in the description and click it. That takes you to Link Finder AI. Click Start Free Trial, no credit card needed, and you get free credits just for signing up. And this isn't a throwaway free trial either. Setup takes about 5 minutes, it's GDPR compliant, and you're never asked for a credit card just to start looking things up. The free credits you get actually work like the paid ones, so you can test this exact workflow before spending anything. Here's the pattern. You rewrite the subject line, you tweak the opening line, you A/B test the call to action, and your reply rate barely moves. That's usually because the actual problem is upstream of the copy. If the emails you're sending to are guessed, outdated, or scraped from some old list, no amount of copywriting fixes a bounce. Link Finder AI fixes the part before the copy even matters. Drop in a LinkedIn profile URL and get back a real, verified professional email, not a pattern guess. Same idea works for companies. Type in a company name, Tesla in this case, and get the real verified website back, so your outreach starts from an actual domain, not a guess. And cold email is never really about one contact. If you've got a whole list to send to, drop it in as a CSV. Every row gets enriched the same way, automatically, and you can see exactly which ones were found, so you know before you hit send, not after your sender reputation takes the hit. Once the data's clean, Link Finder AI has an API and an MCP server, plus native connections to Zapier, Make, N8N, HubSpot, and Salesforce, so verified contacts flow straight into whatever you're already sending from. If you do want to write code, the API documentation lays out every endpoint in plain language. Company enrichment alone gives you 4 of them: company name to website, to phone, to email, and to employee count. Each one costs a single credit, and every one of them is synchronous, meaning you get your answer back immediately, no waiting on a job to finish. Every lookup also shows up in your History tab, so you can go back and check exactly what you searched, what it cost, and what came back. And your credit balance sits right at the top of the dashboard the whole time. Fix the data first. The copy was probably fine all along. The link is in the description, and you get free credits to try it yourself.